Let's talk about watermarking. And let me finish to retouch really quick this photo. I'm going to use the spot healing brush tool. And again, I have a whole chapter on retouching where I'm going to go into deep detail. But let's say I'm happy with this photo. I want to export it for the web, and I want to have a watermark. So in the option, when you go here to the export that we went earlier, there is an option here called watermarking, which is here. Okay, so I'm going to say yes, watermarking, and you can go here and you can click edit watermark. All right, and you can see, so on this one it says it's the name of my computer, and the guy I bought the computer from made a mistake on my name. So I'm gonna write copyright Serge Romelli, for example, which is really a bad way to do it because it's better to do with like a signature or something. But let's say you don't have a signature. We start with some text, and you can position this wherever you want. You can see here in the anchor, you see it's on the left side. Usually people put it on the right side. I wouldn't put it on top here, or you can go in the middle if you want to really annoy people. Like I do. Some people do that. I think it's better to do it here. And you can choose the different fonts, the opacity of the overall of the shadows, the opacity of the overall watermark. You can see here in small and big. The size, you can make it fit or fill or proportional, where you can use the size how you want. And that's all good, but I rather use a PNG or a JPEG. So for example, I can go to choose. So here I have different options. For example, this is something I created in Photoshop. The problem is that it's on white background. So if I use it, let me show you, it's going to really add like a whole white thing, which is, why not? I can always lower the opacity. I wish you could change the blending mode so I could take automatically out the yellow. So, change the opacity just to have it a bit, but it's still too big. So what you can do is do what we call PNGs. PNGs basically is, and this is out of the scope of this. So let's see, watermark black PNG. So for example, I'm going to take watermark white PNG, press choose, and look what it does. It's just a signature with my name on it. So that's a lot more subtle. I can make it a little smaller. I can use 100% opacity. Can make it a bit smaller. So it's just my name and my website. Save it. Okay, and I can create a preset for it. I can call that Serge signature white, for example. White. Okay. Call create, and let me put this in the same folder that we had, like a high resolution. Yes, high resolution is good. So I'm gonna export this file. So let's go into the Finder, high resolution, and check this out, spacebar to see, and now is my watermark. It's a little big, but it's my watermark. And let's say I want to take another photo and use the same thing. I can go, for example, take this photo, which is on retouch, export, and by default it's still be on. By default, what I did, so all I have to do is click export again, or I could have done a right click, export with previous, and automatically now it's got that watermark. Let's see here. It's got that watermark, and if you want to change, let's say I want to have a black version, which is totally okay. So I can go here, export. All right. And I can say, I'm going to create another edit watermark. I'm going to create another one. So I'm going to choose the black one. Remember, I had a white one and a black one. And, depending on the photo, maybe you want to use like a black one. So, which is actually not the case here because it's really bad, but I'm going to call this, I'm going to call this one, see here, it says Serge White edited. I'm going to say save current setting as a new preset, and I'm going to call it Serge signature black. Okay, done. And now when I export, I got the choice between white and black. So let me take a photo that's kind of white like this one, right click, export, and I'm going to go to black, boom, use the same things than before, and voila, and here it is, and you can see now it's black. So that's how you watermark things. I advise you to use your signature and do different things because it's kind of cool.